an unboxing and first look at a new sander I recently purchased. It's the Festool 6-inch random orbital sander, model ETS EC150-5 EQ+. The /5 refers to the 5mm sanding stroke version. They also have a 3mm. I chose to go with the higher stroke for a little bit faster sanding. So a little bit of history. I've been using cheaper sanders for a long time. Back in November, based on a lot of YouTube videos giving great reviews for the 3M extract sander, I purchased that one through Amazon. I used it initially for sanding a dining set that I was refinishing. But after a week while sanding it, the sander just stopped working. Luckily I bought it through Amazon, so I returned it promptly. With the credit, I decided to get the Festool CT dust extractor instead. Now moving forward, come January, Festool announced that they would be increasing their prices, so I went to Rockler and thought I'd get the Festool 6-inch sander. Rockler doesn't carry it in the store, so I ordered it online. It took about 3 weeks to come, and finally it's here. So let's start to open it up. Packing slip. Out of the box, the sustainer. Seems to be decently packaged. Here's the delivery note. Start with the manual, warranty registration card, 180 grit sandpaper disc, Allen wrench, power cord, the sander, nice and compact. Online it says it's a 2.65 pounds. Feels very nice in the hand. As you can see, the 5 showing the 5mm sanding stroke. When I looked online, it did say the default pad is a general purpose sort of soft. So I did go ahead and buy, like a lot of people recommend it when you're doing flat surface, a hard disc pad, which I'll try later. And everything's pretty nice in the case, typical Festool sustainer case. Let's just get the cord ready. Just put this 80 grit sanding disc on. Okay, so turn it on. can see it stops fairly quickly. Let me disconnect it from the vacuum so you'll hear that a little bit better. Start. Stop. I love that feature because sometimes I'm just not patient when I put it down, so it can put it down instantly. I also purchased these Festool 6-inch sander protection pads. They come in a package of 2. They're meant to save your sanding pad on the sander, which if you have to replace is fairly expensive. These come in a package of 2 and they're fairly cheaply priced. Here they are, just very thin, basically, to save your sanding pad. Put this as an interface between the sanding disc and your pad. And then you can put the actual sanding pad or sanding disc. And then you're ready to go. Velcro is very strong on these also. After sanding, you could see that there was next to nothing in the way of dust, which is one of the main reasons going with this sander. I want to this year improve on my dust collection for sure. Here you can see the hole pattern on the sanding pad. Festool is well known for their sanders having great dust extraction, as you can see. And of course their sanding disc has the matching holes to go with it. I also purchased the Festool thick interface pad. This is a pad that goes onto the sander that allows you to sand some contoured edges. As you can see, it's fairly thick and spongy. This goes between the pad and your sandpaper. You can put the sanding disc right on here, or I'll be using the protector always. And then of course the sanding disc. And as mentioned, it's very thick and very spongy. Able to sand contour edges a little bit better. Now let's just see how easy it is to change the sanding pad on the sander. Remove the sanding disc, take the provided Allen key, and screw the Allen bolts. Pretty thin thread, a lot of turns. Take the next sanding pad that you want to add to the sander. Tighten it. And you're ready to add any sanding disc you wish. It's ready to go. So overall, I think I'm going to be really satisfied with this sander. We'll see as time goes on. Hopefully it has better lifetime than that 3M X-Track sander that I had for a week. Also the Festool is very good with their warranty if there is any problems. Now for a recap, this is the Festool 6-inch random orbital sander, model ETS EC150-5 EQ+. The version I purchased is the 5mm sanding stroke. They also have a 3mm sanding stroke. Features I love, especially, is the pad brake, which when you turn off the sander, the disc stops very quickly. Has speed control. High-end sanders like this, they're designed for much less vibration. So when you're doing sanding for long periods of time, there's less fatigue and hopefully less numbing in the hands if you experience that. So anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. Take care and bye.